convert it into CGS system. CGS system is centimeter, grams, and seconds. So, unlike the MKS or the SI unit where you have kg, meter, and then second, here you have centimeter, gram, second. How to convert? Okay, let's now look into it. Pretty simple, as I said, that is 5 kg per meter per second square, because Newton is a name given to this, but the actual unit is kg meter per second square. Therefore, now just write this equation, because we have to convert 5 kg meter per second square into how many grams centimeter per second square. Therefore, then call it as x, unknown value, which you'll have to find out. Therefore, now how to solve it is pretty simple. We have to be able to cancel the units from the left hand side as well as right hand side. Therefore, either you convert the kg into gram or convert the gram into kg. But then usually it is very easy to do the kg into gram, because kg we can write as 1000 gram instead of writing 1 gram equal to 0.001 kg, which is actually decimals. If working with a decimal is going to be a little cumbersome as against working with a full number. Therefore, preferable to convert kg into 100 gram. Therefore, what you do is you just write this equation and then be able to make the same units on both sides. Start from each unit. Therefore, now kg, instead of kg you write as 1000 grams, and then instead of meter you write as 100 centimeter. Therefore, now you are able to cancel gram with gram, a centimeter with centimeter, and then second square remains the same thing, but there is no change in the systems. Second square remains the same, and therefore you can cancel